So we're here at the Adventure Science Center, and this is a phenomenal science center for kids. We had a really great book launch. Josef Newgarden launched his new book, and we did some really fun STEM activities with the kids. So we learned about tire diameter and what stagger means in a race car, and the kids got to build a race car out of something like Lego. So very interactive, kids asked a lot of questions. It was just a really fun event.
I think for us in racing, you've got to put all the pieces together. And so I have an interest in all facets of STEM. I think the nice thing about it is there's a lot of areas that kids can go, right? If it's math or it's something within physics, kids can find something that speaks to them. But the real trick is to get all of them together so that they can solve really big problems, which I think is what racing is.
For Bridgestone and Firestone to be in our backyard, to be able to promote science and technology, engineering, and math among these kids has been phenomenal for us. We even had one of our retirees that worked for Firestone Racing bring her grandson William out. So it's really, really great to be able to give back to the community, one of the things Bridgestone is passionate about.
Whenever you're talking about STEM and the interest in racing and the way we build race cars and go racing, Firestone Tires is a very easy outlet to bring kids in. So I love the partnership. Firestone Tires has such a long relationship with IndyCar, and for me it's always a comfort factor to drive on Firestone Tires. And so to tell that story and the way we build tires and build them for the racetrack and how that's involved in STEM, it's a really easy way to bring kids into the mix. So I always like when Firestone joins us.